Workshop Wednesday. How y'all doing? I'm doing good. Middle of the afternoon. Took most of the day to get to y'all. Sorry, busy. Life is good. Got a cool pair of Spurs going. I posted the deal yesterday. Y'all stay tuned, or maybe it was the day before yesterday. I can't remember, but yeah, it really is going to be a cool pair of Spurs. I'll show y'all what's going on. So this is going to be the centerpiece right here. And it's going to have this part right here will be domed, be a concho type of thing, oval, but then a flange around it and all that'll shape around the band. And so anyhow, had to build me a little mold, little jig. That's where I'm gonna press my concho down in, and I got this guy right here, so I transferred my design over. And so I'm gonna engrave that stuff in there so I don't lose my design. A little experimenting. Usually you press the dome first and then do all this flange part, but I'm gonna try something. Hopefully I don't waste any silver, but I think I can, watch this, I think I can engrave that stuff on there, and then, whoop, y'all see that, what, look here, whoop, I'm gonna get that deal, you see that line? I'm gonna get it all in there and get it just right, mash like that, and then I'm gonna mash it with polyurethane and smash it down there. That's the Workshop Wednesday. That's your tip of the day. I don't know if it's a tip, but that's just kind of execution type of thing. Polyurethane and big old heavy jack press and mash that stuff down in there, and it'll dome it and be nice, even dome. We'll see. That's the game plan. But anyhow, hey, I've been whining for 3 weeks. I gotta apologize. I'm gonna cancel the Spur class. Cancel the Spur class. Guess what? Enough of you guys signed up. I'm having it. It's rocking and rolling. Big class. It's moving. I got 5 people in the bit class. It's kicking good too. So we'll have that in a couple weeks, September 6th to the 9th. And then we go to Matt and Troy's and Dickens. I've been telling everybody Spur. It's in Dickens. Sorry, Matt. Going to Dickens for the Bit and Spur gathering up there. And Ernie Marsh going to be there. And Bo Compton's coming. We're going to let the Silversmiths come play with us a little bit. It'll be fun. Hey, if you're just a collector, you just a connoisseur, a fan of Bits and Spurs, I bet Matt, we'd love to have you. See how it all goes down. It's kind of, you watch how it's made on TV. Well, come watch us. It'll talk about it. It'll be fun. It'll be a good event. And then the following week, engraving class in Oklahoma City. So me and Ernie will be doing that and a TCA show, and woo-wee, we're excited about that. It's just gonna be a good show, so we're excited to see everybody there. So anyhow, I hope all is well, and I hope you're doing good, and thanks for following along, and we'll see you next week. Adios.